I'm dreaming, lights are out and I'm feeling every part of our history and every word you've said. I'm healing, things like this keep me breathing. You take my hand and you guide me through the memories we share. And I've been waiting for some time to know if you are happier now that I am gone. Oh, and I wonder if you smile when you look back at what we had. Does it make you sad? Would you come with me and relive our memories? I wonder, do you still remember who I was when I knew you well and you were all I had? I hope that things worked out in the end and you found your way in this ever-changing world that is our own. And I've been waiting for some time to know if you